Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to adjust colors in Call of Duty Mobile to see opponents easier. Well, to do that, open your Call of Duty Mobile. Then in here, tap the gear icon or the settings menu. Then tap the audio and graphics tab. Set the graphic quality to medium. This will help you achieve higher frame rate and improve the game's performance. For the Battle Royale graphic style, use dynamic or standard. These adjustments can be particularly beneficial in fast-paced multiplayer matches where quick reaction times are crucial. Enable the Battle Royale anti-aliasing settings. Enable also the realistic scope option. And in the zombies section settings, enable anti-aliasing and realistic scope. Now tap the effects tab. Now select color red on the color of get hit hint option. And enable explosion shake. Now tap the basic tab and find perspective teammates option. And disable perspective teammate option. Adjusting colors in Call of Duty Mobile can make opponents easier to spot by enhancing their visibility against the game's background. By tweaking color settings, players can increase the contrast between character models and their surroundings. And that's how to adjust colors in Call of Duty Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.